reasons. The decision of Juan to disengage with his relationship with Maria in a one way or another is defiable because he tried to work hard in the orphan area just to fulfill his promise to Maria. Although there was a question from a member of the group questioning the veracity of the love of Juan towards Maria, but we were able to decide that such decision of Juan is fair. Also, with regards to the decision of Maria for what she did, what he did with Pedro, there was also a discussion on whether that was a fair decision, but after trying to convince the member of the jury, we were able to arrive at a conclusion that such decision to give her body to Pedro is not justifiable. Her search for Juan and such decision to give her body is not fair. Maria is not sure if what had happened or what is happening to Pedro in the orphan or in the city. And Maria was short-sighted with that decision. Mas nakatok na dito si Juan. Maybe there are still more problems that will happen in the relationship. Kasi there might be chances that Maria will give farther more than what she gave to Pedro para makasay pagka. Thank you and good morning.